We want to do business with our clients over 30 years and then have their family be a part of the Southwest Exteriors family. The relationship is what drives us versus the transaction. Try to take a long-term approach to how we treat people. I think the other thing, the relationships that we choose with our vendors, they don't get to dictate how we go about doing what we do. In other words, as a design consultant, I get to go into people's homes, really listen, ask a bunch of questions, and find out what the best solution for our clients are. The things that we set up with our clients as far as how we communicate with them, getting a dedicated project manager, having the design consultant's cell phone at every time, and having an actual brick and mortar showroom where we have an actual call center and human beings that answer a 210 number. The other thing that we do that I know is a little different, like we handle all our own warranty and service issues. Like if you ever have something down the line after an install, it's as simple as taking a picture, sending me a text, and we put you on a service call. That's how easy that is. I mean, we register our warranties for our clients, like the above and beyond kind of white glove things that we do to provide a 5-star experience. Those are just some of the small things that we do.